to my channel, Mr. Junior. So today I'm going to make a recipe with potato. We can make millions of recipes. So like this one, let's start without wasting any time. So our recipe is potato lollipop. So first we will grate a potato. This is 1 cup boiled and grated potatoes that we have put over here. So second, our onions. It's also 1 cup. Then we will put a ginger garlic paste with some green chilli. So now, as I'm not putting chili powder, I will put a mixture of oregano and chilli flakes. So now we will mix them. So now we will put cumin powder. So we will mix it very well. So there's no like this. There's nothing left like this. So now we will put one. So now we will put one water ingredient, liquid ingredient. So this is 1 big lemon. I've cut it into half and I will put. So now we will mix it. So we will also put black pepper, a little bit of black pepper. Just for some seasoning, we will put our black pepper. So now we will again mix it, and now we will put our 3 ingredients for bounding it. So our first 3 ingredients are some corn flour for bounding it, breadcrumbs, now we will again mix it. Now we will mix it very well. Now we will put some salt. Now we will make a slurry part with corn flour, some salt. You can put salt according to your taste, some water, a little bit of water. If we need more, we can put, like, we have put a very less quantity of water. You have to make a quantity with like this, not very thick, not very. So now I will grease my hand with some oil. We will make a ball, a lemon size or smaller than that, like ball. Like this, I will. And now you will put it over here. So now our breadcrumbs, we will coat it with some breadcrumbs now. So now we will make balls like this. I've made many of these and I have kept in for refrigerator for 15 minutes. and I preheated the oil. Now we will deep fry it. Now we will keep it like this, and if we try to stir it, our potato lollipops, this mixture will become. So let it fry until it turns light brown. So now let's check. Gently we'll check. So the color is coming very nice. So we will take it out. Not one by one. So first let us see one. It's so delicious. So now for converting it into a lollipop, we will use toothpicks. So now our aloo lollipops is ready. So guys, as you can see, we have made our aloo lollipops. You can serve it with any chutney you want or sauce. So guys, please like to my video, subscribe to my channel and share as many people you can. So bye.